In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove sharing account on Instagram. So first of all, launch open Instagram. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. So what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. What you have to do is tap on this option account center that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the account center interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is simply look under the section for account settings. At last, you'll be able to find this option for accounts over here. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to review the accounts that you've added. If you want to remove it, what you have to do is simply find the account that you would like to remove and tap on this option remove that you can see right next to it. Now after you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option remove account. Now you'll be able to see the information over here. If you remove the account, it will lose access to managing multiple accounts, logging in across accounts, sharing across profiles. Tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to finish removing your account. Tap on this option yes, finish removing. Make sure you've read these informations that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular account will be removed. So like this, you'll be able to remove the sharing accounts. So that is how you remove sharing accounts on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.